Hello everybody, Ravi here with a Target deal for you guys for the week of May 16th, 2021. I don't know how long this deal will last, and I'll talk about this deal. I know I went to Target, it's crazy. Probably some of you already know about this deal because the big people already talk about it. So I don't know. Some of my followers only follow me, so I decided if you guys have a Target, then you may be able to do this deal. So I wanted to share it with you guys while it's still valid. So this is a deal using Shopkick's app. So if you don't have the app, I do have a referral code in the description. If you guys could please use my referral code, I get a dollar per referral, so that's 250 kicks. Yeah, so every 250 kicks is a dollar. Just letting you know about that. And kicks are like points. All right, so for this deal, this is such a hot deal actually because these Grove products are completely free, and I think these are like premium brand products. I don't know, Grove everyone raves about and whatever. So I decided to go ahead and get it because I didn't want to miss out on the deal. Um, anyway, so I decided to do the deal, and it's really hot. All right, so the only thing I don't have is the dish soap, and the reason is because I couldn't find that reusable bottle, so the reusable cleaning or whatever the bottle is, dish soap bottle. So I couldn't get that, but I still got the other stuff. So you get 2,000 kicks. This is a bundle deal when you buy both the bottle, the glass bottle, and the cleaner, or the soap or whatever it is, right? So you get I think 1,000 kicks for this, 400 kicks for this, and then 600 for buying both them together. So that's how the deal works. So that means uh, um, 2,000 kicks is equal to a $8. So that's how it works out in the math. All right, the glass bottle is $14 and this cleaner is $6.99. So everyone's gonna be confused, like, how did you get it completely free if you're only getting 2,000 kicks back? Well, there's a deal at Target going on. When you buy the cleaner, you get the glass bottle completely free. That is insane. So that's how this worked out. So this is $6.99. This will be free, but in the Target system, it rings up differently. Um, yeah, so I paid $6.99 plus my tax for this, and I got back $8. So it's a few cent moneymaker for this. I did roll some gift cards, and you know how I roll at Target. I only roll my gift cards if whatever I have. If I sometimes buy gift cards, like if I have a Visa cards from Rite Aid, I would take those and cash them to Target gift cards, and then I'll use those gift cards and get it back in Shopkicks, and then Shopkicks I'll cash it out to my PayPal. So that's how I work at all these deals. It's a complicated process, but it works out at the end. Now I'm an expert at this, so yeah. Actually, this is my I did the bottle yesterday and the hand soap yesterday. The hand soap is actually $4.99, so basically this is a bigger money maker with the hand soap. You get back $8, and you're only paying like $5 plus tax, so that's good if you can find that deal. And Shopkicks, I don't know like the reset process or whatever, but when I checked my app this today, I got the reset back. So whatever I could find, I could only find the reusable cleaning bottle and the tub and tile cleaner. So those are the only two I picked up, and this is how it ringed up. So you get it when you buy the cleaner, you get the bottle free. This is how it rings up. I don't like Target system at this. Like they should just put it buy one get one free, like for real. Anyway, I paid $6.99. I had my Target Circle earnings. I because I buy stuff at Target like these free items, so it it works out in my favor. And actually reduced my total down to the tax. um, you guys can see that, so I'm very happy about that. So now I know how to work Target system next time if this happens. And I use my gift cards, you guys can see there. I paid a total of $7.25 and I got back 2,000 kicks from Shopkick. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to get it. Usually, if you guys remember, I used to take over a day to get my kicks back, and that like that pending process, like it scares me. But this time it came really really early, so I was very excited about that. And I just cashed out Shopkick money, and I used it for a Target gift card, and then I paid that Target gift card to get back the Shopkick. So it was a great rollable deal right there. I love it. So this is like a highly featured product, right? So I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. So because I don't know, everyone raves about these things. I think they got it like for free from or something like that. So I don't know. I'm just gonna unbox these. This is really small, by the way, guys. Look at this multi-purpose cleaner. So this is like a glass bottle, as you guys can hear it. It's a 2-pack, as you guys can see. This is all the stuff that's in there, plant-based and whatever. So how to use. Okay, so empty the reusable cleaning spray bottle. Okay, I didn't get that, but it's okay. Oh no, this is the spray bottle. What am I talking about? Ravi. And then keep in contact between the bottles as you pour, and then add water. And then that's how you do it. Now I don't understand these things because like I think this is still a waste of money. Like I don't know what you're saving by doing reusable bottles and whatever. If you know the environmental impact to all these things, please let me know, but I don't find this any more saving than usual. Yeah. The glass bottle is like I don't know why. I have a weird addiction to glass bottles for some reason. Like now the plastic stuff in my house, like we kind of started trashing them and replacing them with glass stuff. So yeah, I'm just opening the bottle. It's really easy to open. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of a sniffing test. Oh, you can't even do a sniffing test. Well, that doesn't help. Okay, seal for your protection. Well, let me see. Nope, I can't smell anything. Okay. Well, I don't know how much of a... if I'm gonna buy this again. I don't think I'm ever gonna buy this again. But it's a 2-pack of this. Let me open the glass. This is the orange one. There's also gray, and there's the green one right there. If you guys want to see, I'll unbox it. This is what the orange one looks like. It's a rubber feeling here. Okay? And, okay, so... you guys can actually change the setting, kind of. So like if you twist it or whatever, you can see like tile and tub in the back right there. So you can like twist this silicone thing, or whatever it is, and like you can change it to however you want to. So like this is for the floor. I think I need to use both hands. Hold on. Okay, to be dead honest with you guys, I did not find this very easily to take out. It's really hard to take out. Okay, so you guys can see like the different wording on there. You can use it for multi-purpose, tub and tile. Make today matter. Okay, so I guess they have a slogan on there. There's a daily shower one, floor, and glass, and then back to multi-purpose. So that's if you like it like that. I don't like this weird thing, but whatever. You guys can see, so durable and recyclable glass, and then they have the slide and twist label. I did not find this easy to slide and twist. Protective silicone, as you guys can see. So yeah, yeah, well, everything was written here. Okay, well, that was the bottle. Now I'm gonna open the hand soap dispenser. By the way, this hand soap just smells really good. It's similar like to the 7th generation smelling when I opened it. Oh my god, I just used to be able to open this and now I can't. Hold on. Yeah, so this is what it looks like inside. Yeah. Okay, so let's open the hand soap dispenser. This is probably gonna be the same exact thing. It's just green, so I'll just show you guys the color. Oh, this one is bubble wrapped. Okay. So here's the bubble wrapped glass hand soap dispenser. Okay, so here it is. It's one of those weird pumps. I don't know. I don't really know about this one. Well, anyway, appreciate it came in this because, Yeah. I guess the silicone on the other ones will protect it, huh? Maybe that's why they didn't add it to those reusable glass containers. Okay. I'm just gonna close that, and then I'm gonna open this one so you guys can see the color. Okay, it's green. Tub and tile, so I think I picked up the right one, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. I don't know what the gray one would be. Bright lime, right? Okay. Let's open the tub and tile cleaner. Okay, so here it is, the tub and tile cleaner. Concentrate. Okay. So, yeah. Similar thing to the other one. I don't know if this one is protected or not. Yeah, it is. Okay, good. Alright, so that's great. Now I'm gonna put it back. Alright, so that was my Target Grove Co haul. So hopefully you guys can do it with the Shopkicks app. And yeah. Let me know if you guys score. There's like limited stock everywhere now. I guess everyone goes crazy. I didn't even realize the stuff resets, but maybe that's why they're all gone. I found so many of the discs sold, but I can't find those dispensers, which is the problem, because it's a bundle deal, and it's not worth it just getting one item. I'm only gonna get back 400 kicks, which is like less than $2 technically, so that's not even fun. Yeah. But if you really think about it, if you really want it or need it, then, you know, there's a deal out there for you. Yeah, I mean, buy one, get one free, the glass container, I'm surprised, like, nobody would not take advantage of it, right? Right, so yeah, that's all I have to say for the Shopkick deal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.